I was in Vancouver,
Okay.
and that's when Prabhupada left his body, November 14th, 1977.
You were the Sankirtan leader at that time.
Yeah, right. And Satsrup was the GBC, and Gopal Krishna Maharaj were also the GBCs at that
Who
time.
was
They
your
were
temple
the
president at that time?
Baudak was the temple president.
So, after 77, what happened? What did you notice after you got the news that Srila Prabhupada has left the planet?
Well, we were all devastated. We were devastated when Prabhupada left, his body, because we obviously missed Prabhupada. And at that time, nobody really knew what was going on, because we were all isolated. Nobody knew what was going on in Vrindavan at the time, unless you were there. And then even if you were there, those devotees, those few devotees that were there, that weren't part of this whole thing that was going on in ISKCON, the conspiracy basically of these gurus, the few devotees that were there that knew about it, they got kicked out of the movement eventually, quickly, and then they went to different parts of the world, and then most devotees didn't even know what they knew until many, many years later, like when the July 9th letter came out. And then when the letter books came out, this was there was only 500 copies of the original letter books, and somehow or another I got a copy of that book, and I started reading these letters, and these books were banned in ISKCON. It's another whole story about that. So as more devotees started to find out what was going on, we put together the pieces of this puzzle, then the conversation, the May 28th conversation came out, and then there was 4 versions of this tape, and it's hard to figure out which one was real or not. So gradually, as the whole thing started to unfold, we start to put the pieces of this puzzle together, and then we gradually understood what Prabhupada wanted.